Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your UPS account. So you have a package that you're getting or sending by UPS and you want to track that package, but to track that package you'll need to log into your UPS account, but you can't figure out how you can log into your UPS account. You've clicked on the right video. Today I'll show you exactly how you can log into your UPS account. So to log into your UPS account, the first thing you want to do is open a browser and go to ups.com. Once you go to ups.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Now to log into your UPS account, what you want to do is click on the login option on the top right corner. Once you click on the login option, you land on the login interface of UPS. Here what you can do is enter your UPS account credentials, or you can use Google account, Facebook account, Amazon account, Apple account or Twitter account to log into your UPS. So go ahead and enter your username or email address. Once you enter your email or user ID, enter your password to that account. So once you enter your email or user ID and enter your password, you have the option to save your user ID to your browser. If you want to do that, check this box, then click on the login option. Once you click on the login button, you'll successfully log into your UPS account. Now you can track your package, create a shipment, change my delivery, or schedule a pickup, or calculate the time and cost of your package delivery. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.